you guys, welcome back here to another video at D3 Sneakers. This is Milena. I'll be showing you guys today something different. So no Yeezys today, promise. So today we're gonna be doing an unboxing video of a pair of sunglasses. You've seen a video here in the channel before about another pair of glasses that David made. But this is going to be different. It's a different model, so I'm very excited about it because these are my sunglasses. So let's take a look at this beauty. These are the Off-White Canes. This is the box. This is the way they come. And of course, they come with the, this protective regular bag. So you can save them, keep them safe. They come with the cleaning wipe. And this is the model I'll be showing you today. Let's see. All right. They're pretty well boxed here. Okay. Take a look. Oh my God.
Wow.
This look amazing. I don't know what you guys think. Look at the details. And I'm definitely loving the color. Say Off-White right here. The logo is like enclave. I don't know, they have so many features. I'm gonna wear them while I talk about this beauty, because why not? These are mine. So I don't know what you think. I definitely want to look at the mirror right now. Because just looking at them, I really think they look very stylish. So these are the Off-White Cans cut out. So they feature like a rectangular frame. It's very thick, and it's kind of like a cat-eye style, and the glass is kind of like a dark green. I don't know if you can see it here. And I definitely love this. This definitely is gonna make people look at you. And this is like a brown and black, like a tortoise shell color. Well, this is a very unique model, and I'm in love with them. I think these are my favorite pair of glasses now. I don't think there's much to say, but they look very stylish, unique, they're different, and I'm pretty sure they look very well. Just let us know in the comment below what you think about this beauty. We definitely appreciate your support with the channel. We try to make videos like this every week about sneakers and now sunglasses also, because why not? They look amazing. And just let us know what you think in the comments. Well, that's gonna be all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give us a thumb up if you like, share the video. We appreciate your support. As I said, it's been amazing. And I guess I'll see you again soon in another video. Bye-bye.